You ready, Sol? Let's go.
It's just been fixed.
Oh, is it broken?
Yeah. Because it was so hot, all the moisture got in there.
Oh, right.
And so there was a lot of water in there. So it's only just been fixed, so I'm just gonna be nice to it.
Be nice to your switchbacks. That starts like a dream. So, welcome back to Play and Play. We're gonna do Breakfast Club round 3. Here we go!
Round 3.
We are back at Hickory's for our breakfast meet number 3. Hickory's are our local smokehouse. They've been kind enough to let us use the car park mainly to meet up, have some high quality meat. We've got good coffee. So here we go, check it out. Trip down memory lane for Pete here, where it all started.
Mate, wicked. And have another one.
See the dog behind you?
Look how majestic he is.
Just sits there like a proper showpiece.
Majestic pooch. Let's have a little bit of a pan around, Beans. Here's the car. Mungia. Brilliant.
Car of the meet?
Can't
say yours.
It's such a range. It's different. I like that Golf, to be fair.
The Golf is
nice.
very
And
clean.
I like the Prelude as well. I know it's supposed to be like an American car. I don't know, I like stuff creeping out that I haven't really seen before.
Like Matt's Impala.
Yeah, that's alright.
It's okay.
See better.
Who needs an Impala? A few Capris here today, which is, I'm a bit of a fan of the Capri.
Yeah.
The roll is pretty cool. I like the rolls.
I don't know, I think that Golf, I think it's clean, I think it's well modified, I think it's well built. If we were doing like a best, and you had to ask me to select for
As a judge.
as a judge, I mean I'm not a Volkswagen guy, but it's just beautiful.
There might be a bit.
Got 20 people as well.
This looks a bit closer to front side.
Go on, Sol, you stick it on as well, mate.
Put it on the window because you never get it off the paint.
He'll pull the paint off.
Go on if Jab online will be on fire.
Naughty 11-year-old gets arrested for sticker bombing.
It's on you, innit? I'm not going to get into it.
This will be the first time I've ever been handcuffed before.
I'm sure it won't be the last song.
There we go.
Views on views.
Whoa, the technology.
The price difference.
Yeah.
Ryan, drive.
He just hit a massive bump. So that's the end of the third Breakfast Club. We'll look forward to the next one, but in the meantime, bye!